Feeling stuck? It's time to unlock your confidence. Are you tired of self-doubt holding you back? Yeah, me too. It's that nagging voice in your head saying you're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough to go after what you want. It keeps you stuck in a rut, playing small and feeling like you're always on the outside looking in. But here's the good news. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a muscle you build. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through practical steps to silence that inner critic, overcome self-doubt, and step into the most confident version of yourself. This is a process, so grab a notebook, get ready to do the work, and stick with me until the very end, because the answer to unlocking your confidence might surprise you. Let's get real for a second. Self-doubt is a universal experience. We all have those moments where we question our abilities, our decisions, even our worth. It's that feeling of uncertainty that creeps in and tries to sabotage your success. Think about a time you felt that knot in your stomach because you were afraid to fail, worried what others would think, or convinced you just weren't capable. That, my friends, is self-doubt rearing its ugly head, and it can pop up in any area of your life, at work, in relationships, even in your passions. Maybe you're thinking about going for a promotion, but self-doubt whispers, what if you don't get it? What if you're not qualified enough? Or maybe you want to ask someone out, but that little voice chimes in, what if they say no? What if you're rejected? Self-doubt loves to keep us stuck in our comfort zones because as long as we don't try, we can't fail, right? Wrong. The biggest failure is letting fear win. Listen, self-doubt is nothing more than a bully in your brain, and the more you listen to it, the louder and more powerful it becomes. But just like any bully, you have the power to stand up to it. Remember, you are not your self-doubt. It's time to start challenging those negative thoughts and replacing them with empowering beliefs. You are capable of amazing things, but you have to believe it before you can achieve it. Okay, so we know self-doubt is that negative voice in our heads, but how do we actually shut it up? It's time to become aware of those thoughts and start talking back. The next time you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, or I'm going to fail, I want you to stop and ask yourself, is that really true? More often than not, those negative thoughts are based on fear, not facts. They're just stories we tell ourselves that keep us stuck in a cycle of self-doubt. Here's a powerful exercise. Grab your notebook and draw a line down the middle of the page. On one side, write down all those negative thoughts that pop into your head. Don't judge them, just get them out on paper. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the other side, I want you to write down the opposite positive affirmation. For example, if you wrote, I'm not good enough, the positive affirmation would be, I am worthy, I am capable, I am enough. Read those positive affirmations out loud, write them down daily, make them your phone's screensaver, immerse yourself in these empowering beliefs. It might feel strange at first, but trust me, the more you repeat them, the more you'll start to believe them. And remember, be kind to yourself. We all make mistakes, we all have setbacks, it's part of being human. Instead of beating yourself up, practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself like you would a friend, with kindness and understanding. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and focus on the lessons learned. Chapter 3. Building your confidence foundation. Brick by brick, win by win. Building confidence is like building a house. You need a strong foundation to support everything else. And that foundation starts with recognizing and celebrating your accomplishments. Think back on your life, both big and small, and write down all the things you're proud of. Did you ace a presentation at work? Did you finally master that recipe you've been working on? Did you show kindness to a stranger? Those are all wins. We often get so caught up in chasing the next goal that we forget to acknowledge how far we've already come. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Each accomplishment, each step forward, is a brick in your confidence foundation. Now let's talk about setting goals. I'm not talking about those vague New Year's resolutions that we set and forget. I'm talking about setting clear, specific, and achievable goals that excite you. Break down those big, audacious goals into smaller milestones. This makes them feel less daunting and gives you more opportunities to celebrate along the way. Remember, success breeds confidence. And finally, take some time to get to know yourself better. What are your strengths? What makes you unique? What are you passionate about? Understanding your values, your passions, and your strengths is crucial for building unshakable confidence. Chapter 4. Action Antidote. Get out of your head and into your life. You can have all the positive affirmations in the world, but if you're not taking action, nothing will change. It's time to step outside of your comfort zone and face your fears head on. Think about something you've been putting off because of fear or self-doubt. Maybe it's signing up for that class, having that difficult conversation, or finally pursuing that dream you've had on hold. Whatever it is, I challenge you to take one small step today. Remember, you don't have to do it perfectly, you just have to do it. The more you take action, the more confident you'll become. It's like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And here's the thing about stepping outside your comfort zone: you're going to make mistakes, you might even fail. But that's okay. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Embrace your failures as opportunities for growth and learning. What went wrong? What could you have done differently? What did you learn from the experience? And don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Find a mentor, a coach, a friend, or a family member who believes in you and can offer support and guidance. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and encourage you to be your best self. Chapter 5. Confidence Lifestyle. Make it a habit, not a happy accident. Building confidence is not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing process. It's about creating habits and routines that support your well-being and help you show up as the most confident version of yourself. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Make time for activities that bring you joy and fill your cup. Whether it's reading, taking a walk in nature, spending time with loved ones, or simply taking a few minutes for yourself each day to just breathe. Prioritize your well-being. Practice gratitude. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a sunny day, a good cup of coffee, or the love of your family and friends. Gratitude helps shift your perspective and allows you to focus on the positive. Mindfulness is another powerful tool for building confidence. Pay attention to the present moment, without judgment. Notice your thoughts and feelings, but don't get carried away by them. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded and present, even in challenging situations. And finally, never stop learning and growing. Embrace new challenges, step outside your comfort zone, and never be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Outro. Unlock your confidence, you've got the key. So what's the secret to unlocking your confidence and overcoming self-doubt? It's simple, but it's not always easy. You have to choose it every single day. Choose to challenge your negative thoughts, choose to celebrate your wins, choose to take action, and choose to believe in yourself, even when it's hard. Confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you feel unstoppable, and there will be days when self-doubt creeps back in. But the key is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal growth, self-improvement, and living your best life. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who might need to hear this message today. Now go out there and unlock your confidence. You've got this.